Welcome to NYIM Training, consistently rated the highest quality, most practical PowerPoint training in the metropolitan area. Our trainers bring a minimum of 10 years expert professional training experience, along with big smiles and lots of patience. My name is Joe Tandle, the Director of Training and one of our certified PowerPoint experts and slide whisperers. I've been doing professional software training for the last 12 years, along with PowerPoint template design, creation, and consulting. And I have trained thousands of clients around the world, including Microsoft. Today I will show you a quick demonstration on the concept of master slides in PowerPoint 2011 for Mac, and why master slides are so important. Think of master slides as a template. They control the default look and feel of your presentation. This includes color scheme, font theme, font sizes, bullets, layouts, logos, and slide numbers. Master slides can be manipulated before or after a slide deck is created, but generally it's a better process to set up your master slides before creating content. In this first example, we have content already created for the sake of this demonstration. So, master slides have two major areas. We have a view where we can put in our content. This is called the normal view, and we can see we have some charts, some smart art, some more charts, and some text and tables. We're going to go to View, Master, Slide Master, and this is our master slide. This first area here is the main master. It controls all these other layouts, and we've created many layouts for this particular company. We're going to start by putting in some information or objects that we want to appear on every page and deal with the color schemes. Let's start with a color scheme. Under Slide Master, we go to Colors, and we can create a new scheme. I'll pick some blues, and we'll leave that orange and gray. I'll pick some more blues, and we'll leave some other colors in here. We'll give it a name. We'll call this the test scheme, and we'll apply it to all. Next thing we'll do is we'll change the font theme, and we have these predefined font themes, and these kind of define how everything will look in your presentation so that we do not have inconsistency. I'll put in a shape across the bottom. Let's start with a basic rectangle. Notice that applies to all the rest of the layouts. I need to send my rectangle to the back. I'll put in a logo, inserting a photo from File. I have a default logo in here. Let's find a decent one. I will resize this, put it in the bottom left-hand corner, bring out my toolbar and my media browser here. Let's go ahead in this pictures. I'm going to set the transparent color so that my logo blends into the background better. I will change the size of my headings, the default size. I will change the color. Notice now my theme colors are right in here. So I will pick a theme color. I will decrease the size, default size. And this is going to be for print, so I'll make it a little bit smaller. I'll take the bullets off here. Format bullets and numbering. It'll say none just for the first level. I can do more, but that's good for now. You'll notice now when I go back to the normal view, all of my slides have changed to this particular look. All of my charts have updated colors. My smart art has updated. My current area over at the top. Let's go back in and make some more changes in the slide master. We need to do some resetting of these. And let's say that we need a layout that's 3 columns wide. We can create a new layout, add a placeholder element. So let's add a content placeholder. I'll just do basic. I will duplicate this with a simple copy and paste. I'll move these into basic order, and I will select all 3. Go over, I'm going to distribute them horizontally across the page, and I'll align the tops so that I know that they're perfectly aligned. So this is my 3-column layout. I'll move that towards the top of mine so we can see what's happening here. Alright, now when I go back in, let's go ahead and change a few of these basic layouts. We'll change this also to blue top heading, and we'll do it a couple more on these. And again, update to blue. When I go back into the normal view, we can see when it comes time to add new slides, we have our color schemes already ready. Everything's updated. I can go in and create a new slide. I will choose my custom 3-column layout. It's perfectly aligned. I can add my title. We also learn shortcuts of jumping from text box to text box. Put in some information. Jump to the next one. We can put in our second information. I'm using in Mac, it's a Control Option Enter to jump from slide to slide. And I'll put in my third information. And you can see that everything is in here. We have our slide numbers, we have our logo, we have our coloring, our title, and all of our information is consistent and our placement is consistent. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to import slides from another presentation. So I'll go to my desktop, go inside of my folder, and we'll import slides from another presentation. Oops, let's go to the desktop. Here we go. I'll insert from lesson 5, and I'm going to select the slides to insert. You'll notice that in this other presentation, the layouts and the coloring is very plain, just black text with white lettering. If we insert multiple of these slides and choose insert, you'll notice that when these slides get inserted, they automatically take the layout and the background of all of our master slides. At any point we can change it to a different layout. For instance, if I change to my 1 column, everything pops in, looks perfect. At any point I could change it to a 3 column. All this text pops in. And this is a quick demonstration of how master slides can save you a lot of time. We first set up our color and font themes. We set up our layouts, our background, slide numbering, our bottom, any type of footers or headers. And once we're in the normal view, now we can focus on content instead of worrying about going and try to align things perfectly or manually changing font sizes. Another good option is if these slides get messed up or moved around, we can always just choose a layout again and things will pop back into their intended position based on those mastered layouts. Hopefully this quick demonstration gives you a better idea of why master slides are very important. When we do learn this, we learn a lot of shortcuts of navigating through and creating slides For instance, Control M is the shortcut to insert new slides. And again, our Control Option Enter allows us to jump directly into these text boxes and type so that we can quickly create content. Hopefully this has been helpful. Again, my name is Joe, and have a great day.